Watch out, Kayla. Watch out, Kayla.
Hey, Tyler? Yeah. You want this? Alright. Is that the last one? No. I can always throw him back. Come on, buddy. Tired out, tired out, tired out.
Feel pretty good?
Oh, yeah.
Looks pretty good.
So how are we just gonna put mine,
Amazing how strong.
Mr. Pirate, into the ice chest and take it to the
He'll clean it for us.
Whoa!
Got a couple.
He's gonna like cut him open.
Yeah.
Oh, dang it.
First time they fished one, they couldn't get over it all.
You got a good one, huh?
We'll see.
Won't you be a baby?
No, he ain't a baby.
Maybe a 5-pounder.
Right there, right about there is about as high as you want to bring that. Okay. Right, tear him out. I see him.
What's a hogfish? Oh my god. Uh-oh.
Almost got him.
Uh-oh.
Yep. I'd recommend that we use this one.
Okay.
Yeah, rolling off. Unless you
Oh.
want to sit here and keep fishing. No, that's not. Oh. I don't know, Kaylee.
Uh-oh.
That's a nice one right there.
Uh-oh.
Oh, Kaylee.
It's coming close.